Tesla's anti-theft system is frankly as over-engineered as you'd expect from a company staffed by software nerds who watched too many Mission Impossible movies. You get Sentry Mode, which essentially turns your car into R2-D2 with PTSD. Sentry Mode is like having a neurotic night watchman living in your driveway. The moment someone gets too close, say some kid on a scooter or a squirrel with attitude, the cameras start recording, and your screen flashes a warning. Instant paranoia, sprinkled with actual results. The keyless entry part of Tesla's is stroke of genius meets, wait, what if my phone dies? You don't need a key fob anymore. Your phone is the key. Swipe, beep, done. Unless your battery craters and you're just standing there looking suspicious. Another cool, bizarre thing is called pin to drive. Even if someone 3D prints your key fob, they can't drive away unless they know your secret pin. It's like the ATM for your car, with the same "someone's impatiently honking behind me" panic. People ask if the built-in dashcam actually helps. Short answer, absolutely if you remember to set it up right. It records 360 degrees, so when some wannabe thief checks for unlocked doors, they're starring in your personal episode of America's Dumbest Criminals. The intrusion alarm isn't just a beepy noisemaker. If the doors are forced or the glass breaks, the siren wails at 110 decibels. That's about as loud as a rock concert, and more than enough to wake your neighbors, or the entire block. Pro tip, you can enable mobile notifications. If Sentry Mode triggers, your phone lights up faster than CNN after a presidential tweet. Even if you're sitting in a coffee shop, hundreds of miles away, you can check the live feed and call the cops. GPS tracking is integrated, so even if someone hooks your Tesla to a tow truck and hauls it away, you can stalk the thieves in real time. It's like Find My iPhone on steroids, with a slightly more expensive piece of hardware. Big pain point: false alarms from rain, random animals, or those haunted parking garages where nothing is there but the cameras still freak out. Expect to become that person who obsessively checks their phone at 3 a.m. just in case. Tesla's anti-theft features see real-world results. Insurance companies have tracked a recovery rate of nearly 90% for stolen Teslas, compared to less than 60% for regular cars. Not a fluke. Thieves hate rolling film and GPS homing beacons. Don't forget the low-tech stuff. Always update your software. Tesla rolls out new anti-theft patches like your iPhone, but for your car. Ignore them, and you're the automotive equivalent of that guy running Windows 98 in a 5G world. A downside is that sometimes Sentry Mode drains your battery a bit faster, especially in places with constant foot traffic. But for most owners, the peace of mind is worth those few extra kilowatts. Or as I tell friends in Portland, it's better than putting a club on your Prius.